Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today I will explain the unit 6, that is my friends, my treasure. First of all, what is the meaning of treasure? Treasure means riches, jewels, or valuable things. It means my friends are my jewels, or my friends are very valuable for me. So, friends are gift from heaven because they help us to make life enjoyable and meaningful. Their presence can make a joyful moment unforgettable. Their advice can save us from numerous dangers. Their company will help us to move in the right path all through the life. In short, friends are like sugar. They add sweetness to life. It means friends are a gift from heaven, and we can say we are blessed with the friends by the God. Okay, and because they are a precious gift for us, because they make our life enjoyable and meaningful. Okay, in the presence of our friends, a moment will become unforgettable. Unforgettable means a moment become memorable. So because of the advice of our friends, we can protect us from many dangers or many problems because of the company of friends, and they always guide us towards the right path. Okay, in short, we can say friends are like sugar which add sweetness to our life. So let us start the reading of this chapter, The Ship of Friendship. So here the story is given. Let us start. A ship was wrecked during a storm at sea. Only two of the men on it were able to swim to a small desert like island. The two survivors were good friends. It means a ship which was wrecked. Wrecked means broken down during a storm at sea, and out of the ship only two men were survived ever and were able to swim to a small island. But island is desert like island means that island have no greenery, or that island have no plants. But the two survivors, but both the men were good friends. So now knowing what else, no, sorry, not knowing what else to do, they decided to pray to God, because now they are on an alone desert like island. So therefore they were not knowing what to do. So both have decided to pray to God. They sat under trees and prayed. The first man prayed for food, and he saw a basket full of fruits near him. So both the men were sat under the tree and start praying. So first man prayed for the food, and after some time he saw a basket which is full of fruits. He ate all the fruits. The other man got nothing and he remained hungry. So both were friends, but only first person prayed for the food and he got basket full of fruits, and he only ate all the fruits because the other man didn't get nothing, so he remained hungry. So after eating the fruits, the first man was thirsty. He prayed for water and he found a jar of water near him. He drank enough water, but the second man remained thirsty. After eating the fruits, the first man again felt thirsty. So now he prayed for the water and he found a jar of water near him. So after finding the jar of water, he drank enough water. But the again second man, he again didn't get nothing, so he remained thirsty. Now the second man remained hungry and as well as thirsty. Moving toward the next page. Once his stomach was full, the first man felt sleepy. He prayed for a blanket and found one near him. He slept well under the blanket, but the second man slept on the sand. So, after eating fruits and drinking water, the first man felt sleepy. So now he want to sleep. For this, he prayed for a blanket and found one near him. Now he prayed for a blanket and he also found that. He slept well under the blanket because now then he had blanket, so he slept well under the blanket. But the second person didn't get anything, so he slept on the sand. So now what happened? When awake, the first man prayed for a boat to escape from the lonely island. So again next day when they awaken, then when they wake up, the first man prayed for a boat with the help of which he can escape, or he can escape from the lonely island. He found a boat on the seashore. Then he found a boat on the seaside. The first man boarded the ship and decided to leave the second man on the island. When the first man found the boat, he then boarded and get entered into the ship and decided to leave the second man on the island. He considered the other man unworthy to receive God's blessing, since none of his prayers had been answered. So why he is thinking like that? He has to left his friend on the island because he think that the second man is unworthy, means uh, not useful enough, because uh, God has doesn't fulfill his any of the prayers. So as the ship was about to leave, the first man heard a voice from heaven. When the first man boarded into the ship, after that ship is ready to leave from the island, but then the first man heard a voice from the heaven. Why are you leaving your companion on the island? What does the voice say? He said, why are you leaving your companion on the island? Why you are leaving your friend on this lonely island? My blessings are mine alone, since I was the one who prayed for them. The first man answered. Because of this question, the first man answered, all my blessings, all my things are mine, because I am the only one who prayed for them, and I am the only one who get all these things. Because his prayers were all unanswered, and so he does not deserve anything. The first man replied, my companion or my friends, all prayers remain unanswered, and therefore he doesn't deserve anything. You are mistaken, said the voice from heaven. After listening the answer, the voice from heaven said, you are mistaken, you are wrong here. He had only one prayer which I answered. Now the voice coming from the heaven said, the second man have only one prayer, okay, which I have answered, or that will be fulfilled. You received, what is that prayer? You received everything because of his prayer. What was that prayer? The second man prayed that his companion or his friend got everything what he want. Okay. Now the voice from heaven explained him the same. You received everything because of his prayer. He prayed that all your prayers be answered. So your all prayer will be fulfilled because of his prayer, because he prayed for you that your all prayers be answered. So now I will repeat whole story in Hindi. जब एक बार एक शिप तूफान में फंस गई, और जब वो समंदर में सी में डूबने लगी, तो उसमें से सिर्फ दो ही पर्सन थे, वो बच गए। वो स्विम करके एक छोटे से डेजर्ट लाइक आइलैंड पे चले गए, और जो दोनों पर्सन थे वो एक दूसरे के अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे। ठीक है, जब वो वहाँ पे एक लोनली आइलैंड में पहुँचे तो उन्हें कुछ नहीं पता था कि अब क्या करना है। तो उन दोनों ने सोचा कि चलो भगवान से ही प्रार्थना करते हैं। तो वो दोनों ट्रीज़ के नीचे बैठकर उन्होंने प्रे करना शुरू कर दिया। जो फर्स्ट पर्सन था उसने प्रे किया कि उसे खाना मिल जाए। ठीक है, जब उसने फूड के लिए प्रे किया तो उसने अपने पास एक बास्केट देखी जिसमें बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स थे, और फर्स्ट पर्सन ने ही सभी फ्रूट्स ईट कर लिए, सभी फ्रूट्स खा लिए, क्योंकि दूसरे पर्सन की जो भी उसने प्रे मांगी थी उसका कोई भी आंसर नहीं मिला था, इसलिए वो हंग्री ही रहा। जब फर्स्ट पर्सन ने अब फ्रूट्स खा लिए तो उसको बाद उसको प्यास लगी, अब उसने वाटर के लिए प्रे किया। तभी उसको पास ही में एक वाटर का जार दिखा, तो उसने वाटर भी ड्रिंक कर लिया। लेकिन इस टाइम भी सेकंड पर्सन को कुछ भी नहीं मिला, तो इसलिए वो थर्स्टी भी रहा, प्यासा भी रहा। जब फर्स्ट पर्सन ने फ्रूट्स खा ली और वाटर ड्रिंक कर लिया, तो अब उसने वो सोना चाहता था, तब उसने ब्लैंकेट के लिए प्रार्थना की, और उसके बाद उसको एक ब्लैंकेट भी मिल गई। तब जो फर्स्ट पर्सन था वो अच्छे से ब्लैंकेट लेके सोया, लेकिन दूसरे पर्सन को तो कुछ भी नहीं मिला था, इसलिए वो सैंड के ऊपर सोया। नेक्स्ट डे जब फर्स्ट पर्सन उठा तो उसने बोट के लिए प्रार्थना की, तभी उसे पास ही में बोट मिल गई। जब वो फर्स्ट पर्सन था वो जल्दी से बोट पे चला गया, तो उसने सोचा कि अब मैं अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड को आइलैंड पे ही छोड़ के चला जाता हूँ, क्योंकि उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है, क्योंकि गॉड ने उसकी कोई भी किसी भी प्रार्थना का आंसर नहीं दिया। लेकिन जब वो फर्स्ट पर्सन बोट पे बैठा और बोट वहाँ से जाने के लिए तैयार थी, तभी हेमन से एक वॉइस आई, हेमन से आवाज़ आई। उसने बोला कि तुम अपने फ्रेंड को यहाँ पे छोड़ के क्यों जा रहे हो? तो फर्स्ट पर्सन ने आंसर दिया, क्योंकि जो भी ब्लेसिंग जो भी मैंने पाया है वो सभी मैंने अपनी प्रेयर्स के कारण पाया है, ठीक है। और सेकेंड पर्सन की, मेरे फ्रेंड की तो किसी भी प्रेयर का फुलफिल तो हुई नहीं है, तो इसलिए उसका मेरी किसी भी ब्लेसिंग पे कोई भी हक नहीं है। लेकिन वो जो हेमन से आवाज़ आई थी तो उसने उसे बताया कि तुम यहाँ पे रॉन्ग हो, तुम्हारी जितनी भी प्रेयर्स फुलफिल हुई हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द योर फ्रेंड, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड के कारण ही तुम्हारी सभी प्रेयर फुलफिल हुई हैं, क्योंकि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड ने बोला था कि जो भी उसका फ्रेंड चाहे उसको वो सब कुछ मिल जाए। ओके, नाउ moving to the next page. So here very important thing is written here: everyone likes to have friends but does not know how to gain them. Here are certain points that will help us to gain and keep good friends. It means every one of us wants to have friends, but none of us know how to gain them, how to found them, or how to get them. So here are certain points are given which help us to gain or make good friends. So let's read about them. If you want to have a good friend, first of all you should be a good friend to others. Always remember, you get what you give. It means if you want to have a good friends, first of all you should be a good friend of others. Okay, second thing is friendship should be built on sincerity and truthfulness. Such friendship will last long. It means friendship should be based on honesty and truthfulness. Okay, these kinds of friendship will last long. Don't be a man of complaints. Remember, nobody likes the company of the depressed. So you should not be a man like who is ready to make complaints. Okay, be joyful. Be joyful and try to be optimistic. Others will be attracted to you as bees to honey. It means optimistic means hopeful. You should be joyful and hopeful, and then other person will be attracted towards yourself. Learn to appreciate others. Remember, all like to be appreciated and congratulated. It means you should be able to appreciate the efforts of others, because everybody like to be appreciated or congratulated. Extend your helping hand when the others is in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It means you should always be ready to help your friends when they are in need. Try to understand the problems of your friends even before he or she tells you about it, and act accordingly. It means you should be able to understand the problems of your friends even before they are talk about you. Okay, avoid criticism but you use loving corrections. The others should never feel that you are humiliating him. It means you should avoid criticism of others, but you have to make loving corrections. Okay, so because the other person never feel that you are humiliating him or you are insulting him. Don't be boastful. People like humility. Let your actions speak for you. It means you should not be boastful, and let your action speak for you. Okay, don't try to impose your ideas on others. The best policy is this: speak less, listen more. Okay, you should never impose your ideas on others. Okay, you should follow this policy, that is speak less and listen more. You should understand the strength and weakness of your friend. It will help you to support him better. Okay, you should have better knowledge about the strengths and weakness of your friends. It will be help you to support him in the time of problem. Okay, students, with this we have completed the reading of chapter. Now we will discuss the back exercise. So here are the question answer. First is, why a friend is considered a gift? Because friends are gift from heaven, because they help us to make life enjoyable and meaningful. Because friends help us to make life enjoyable and meaningful, that's why they are considered as gift. Friends are like sugar. Explain. Because friends are like sugar because they add sweetness to life by making life enjoyable. They add sweetness to life by making life more enjoyable. Third one is, what is the importance of being a friend? Friend make our life enjoyable and meaningful and always guide us towards the right path. What do you know about correcting others? Okay, you should avoid criticism but use loving corrections. The other should never feel that you are humiliating him. Okay, same we are discussed in the chapter. Second is, true or false. First one is, good friends add beauty to life. Yes, this statement is correct. Right here, true. Second is, friends are gifts from heaven. Again, this statement is correct. Right here, true. Friendship has nothing to do with sharing. No, this statement is wrong. Right here, false.